Yeah, I'm getting ready to do the window regulator, but as usual, I can't help but talk. So I bought this on Amazon. It's called Astro 13-inch heavy-duty riveter. The shortest length riveter, fully capable of 1/4-inch stainless steel rivets. That's what I need. So here it is. Now, you can do different size rivets. There's a head right here. I'm not going to unscrew it. But there's a head right here for different size rivets. And then you notice on the side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that you can do 5 different size rivets. So I've never done this before in my life, but the other thing I want to say is save your old stuff until you're done. This is the old regulator, so I was thinking I'll just try it on here and see what happens. So I'll move the camera to a better angle, then I'll turn it over and we'll see if it works. Never done it in my life. And that rivet gun cost about $25, I think. Let's see if I'm even strong enough to do this. So, this is tight, that's tight. Just pretend like I'm putting this in through the door, like that. I'll put this in here first. Just get a little tension so it doesn't fall out. We'll just see what happens. And I'm going to keep some pressure pushing this way. 1, 2. I think the head's supposed to snap off. 3. So what happened, it took so many tries because for one thing I don't have the door panel here, but it worked. So again, these are the rivets I bought. 702013 Dorman. This Astro gun on Amazon, $14.23. Make sure you got the tip on here. It's the closest fit to this, which that's the one. It doesn't fit in these, which means you can do smaller things. Well, okay, so that has to be the one. And I'll take it out. It looks exactly like the other one, like the one we took. I was just showing. So that's how you do it. The only question I have is, does it matter if this thing slides around a little bit? That I don't know. But I still got to put the new wheels on the regulator first. I'm getting ready to do that. I just haven't got to it yet. Maybe today, maybe not. Okay, it's hard to get ready for these kind of pictures because I don't want to screw up. So I know I got need 2 big wheels. I need my chisel and my hammer, which is over here. And this tool. So again, my drawing is drawn like this. So this one, to double check myself, big roller down. Okay, so I'll just do this one first. Big roller down. Put this plate, put this wheel right in there. In the slot. Okay, it's in the slot. I'm gonna split this a little bit. Try to keep pressure on this so it doesn't bounce out. Just a little bit. Make sure it's in there. It's in there. Still in there. That one's done. Again, I don't want to screw this up, so I just keep checking my drawing. So the short side with this plate up, because you could flip them. Because anyway, I'll go into it. So short side, big roller down. That's what I wrote. With my bigger pin. Just hit it gently just to help it get started. Is it still in? Yeah. This really should be up a little bit. That's good. Now the reason I say be careful is because one of the rollers is going to go down. In other words, the small one, you're going to flip this thing over and make sure then you flip it over and then this one goes down. But again, I can't put it on. And then I use the smaller hole. Again, I picked these drift sizes because they fit right in there without too much wiggle room. So that's my technique. But I'm screwed because I don't have the small roller, so I can't put it together. I can't put it back in the car. Here's a close-up of these two.